The Dow drops 20 points. This is D7 here, Grok Trade, and it's Thursday, June 9th, 2016. Markets break a 3-day rise. Markets simmer down. Everybody in bearish territory here. Small caps down the most, 0.64%. Banks are down more than 1%. Crude oil up by 1.45%. Gold higher by 1%. Silver higher by 0.5%. Silver up by 1.6%. Fear increasing by nearly 2%. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF, the spider. It gapped down. We started breaking down at one point, went below this very important red line, and I was ready to pull the trigger on some short positions. But I wanted to see a close there, and by day's end, we rallied higher, and came back up. It ticked higher in volume. Last 2 days, volume has gone up a little bit, but still not even to average. Volume, relatively speaking, is light. Very light up here after this big run higher. NASDAQ base pulling back a little bit, finding support at this trend line, so that looks pretty good. If the markets can stay, at least the NASDAQ can stay above this trend line, that would be pretty good. Small caps, lower high, lower low, red candlestick. So I'm watching this one pretty closely here, and you should too. Let's go to US dollar. Dollar here starting to pop. I'm going to put in a buy arrow for the US dollar because it looks like it's going to start just heading higher at this point. Crude oil, rising wedge. Put a sell signal yesterday, and today we dropped by 1.5%. But still within the confines of the two trend lines. This is a big rising wedge. There's a decent chance of this breaking down, so be watching for that. We have a big bearish divergence on the MACD, so that certainly could happen. Gold up, and away. And silver up, and away. And it's killing me. I put the buy signal there, and this yet again is a time I did not take advantage my own call on precious metals. We've just been on fire here, so it's all looking very well. Now I know that you are a frustrated trader in the markets. A lot of you have been listening to me a long time. Some of you are fairly new. Welcome, by the way. But we know that you're frustrated and you're done losing money and you need this to work for you. Let me shoot straight. This weekend, we're doing a mentorship. And you have Friday to tell us if you want in. Grok Trade. Click on Trading Mentor when you go to groktrade.com. Come down here, watch all the videos, and by the time you watch them all, you're going to want mentoring. You want it now. Fill out this form, and I'll have my assistant or Carolina contact you. It will not be a sales call. You guys will just talk, and I've given them a list of about 20 questions to ask you, and that's all. Just questions that we're going to ask you about your trading. They're very basic questions, and then we'll answer any questions that you have about our mentorship, and you can just tell us if you want in or not. And you can bring a friend at no charge, and it's done online, so you can do it from your computer at home. We make it very easy for you. Very simple. You know what to do. Catch you later.